Hefei Autopipe Auto Parts Company Limited, established in 2008, Anhui Cool Ao International Trade Company Limited, is our external sales company. Locates in Anhui Hefei Economy Development Zone, belonging to Nation-Level Economy Development Zone. Autopipe is one high-tech enterprise with advanced equipments, strong R&D ability. Autopipe specializes in motor intake, cooling and exhaust system. Our racing parts involving two intake pipe, intercooler pipe kits, catback system, exhaust pipe, exhaust turbo manifold, exhaust header, downpipe and mandrel bends with different OD and CLR. Autopipe invested 38 CNC bending machines, 3D laser cutting machine, Mitsubishi laser cutting machine, OTC robot arms, 3D scanner and printer, more than 100 sets of other equipment such as pipe forming, press and shearing machine. Autopipe has strong capacity to make 160 millimeters of OD, small CLR, even R equals OD, 0.75D mandrel bend. Our quality racing parts of titanium alloy, stainless, aluminum, exported to more than 100 countries overseas, and won great reputation for good after-sale service, strict quality control, and super R&D. Our endless pursuit is to produce perfect racing parts for our customers.